When shopping for stone, you're going to come across probably hundreds, if not thousands, of pieces of slab or small samples for quartz in warehouses, in distribution centers, and in showrooms, depending on how long your journey is in looking for a stone. But my suggestion has always been the one that catches your heart right off the bat. Go with that one. If it meets your color needs, if it combines, if your stone is going to be the focal point of your kitchen, then make sure it is the focal point of your kitchen. Everything else should be, let's say, plain around it. A lot of people pick this as their focal point and then want to create a focal point in the backsplash area underneath the cabinets, between the countertops and the cabinets. And that sometimes is very difficult because you're taking stone and trying to match it up with another stone. And that's like, I don't know, trying to be blonde and brunette at the same time. It's not going to work because you're going to clash. You got blonde and brunette clashing together. You're going to have natural black stone with perhaps some white stone that has its own character that won't match up with this stone. Now the beauty and the picture is going to be also minimized by this backsplash that's going to try to outdo your stone. So go simple either on your countertops, let's say one color, a simpler color. So if your backsplash is really what you want to be the focus, then make that the focus, go crazy on that, and go simple on the countertop. Or go beautiful and unique and eccentric, however you want, with your countertop, and very simple, let's say, subway tile. You can go with full height backsplash too. That way you don't have to worry about if stone is going to clash with your stone, or how you're going to get it to look beautiful when you are wanting to put a different stone on the wall to complement it. Full height backsplash is something that most people don't realize how beautiful it's going to be. A small percentage, let's say about 20% of our customers go with full height backsplash because of the cost. But I think you save money overall because tiling can be very expensive, especially if you're looking to do something as beautiful as the stone that you're picking. If you just go all one shot, the same stone on your countertops is the same stone of your backsplash. That looks very elegant, very chic, very modern, very beautiful. Again, when picking your stone, make sure you love it and that you will love to see it in pieces once it's broken up for you and laid out in your kitchen. Make sure that you check everything, that all the pieces that, or all the parts of the stone are to your liking. Because again, once we cut this up, we've had customers in the past, unfortunately, not like a quartz that was in it, or like a little color that was not in it, and they might have not noticed. Oh, that being said, if you are a customer that wants to come in and take a look at the stone, actually have the full experience of seeing your stone, touching your stone, and taking pictures of your stone, come on down to our warehouse. Come on down to our showroom, beautiful 50,000 square foot warehouse and showroom that we have here in New Berlin, on the corner of Calhoun and Lincoln, 2350 South 170th Street in New Berlin. I highly suggest to come down. Highly suggest to take the time to go through the full experience of picking out your stone, touching it, talking to the salespeople, viewing our facility and seeing exactly what we do, what we have to offer to you. Some percentage of customers actually trust us to pick the stone for them and send them colors, and then they go from there to choosing what they want. We prefer our customers coming in and getting the full experience. This is a luxury item that you're picking for your home. This will last you many years to come, or when you decide to sell the home. And so we want you to make the decision here versus online. But we know that in today's world, some people have a busy schedule and they can't come in. So we'd be more than glad to helping you out as much as we possibly can in making your choices and allowing you to have full control of the purchase. Again, stop on by and meet with one of our salespeople today.